How to fix Snapchat ban. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first go and open the settings of your phone. Here open apps option. On apps option you have to search now for Snapchat. Open the Snapchat like this and scroll down and go to storage. Here go to the last button, clear data, and click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop. Click also OK, and what you should do right now, go to your here on battery and click on optimize it, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in other videos.